People having trouble with their Kruzer headphones on the Racer, the ones that go on the Nocta Impact I suppose, and but with the Kruzer sometimes unlinking and you can't get them to link again. I've sussed it. What you got to do on your headphones, there's a little white button. Hold that down, flick the switch on. Listen to your headphones as you turn it on, wait for 5 beeps. That bit's ready, so you just leave that on. Then on the Kruzer, you hold down the settings button. Can't see what I'm doing here. Keep your finger on the settings button and turn on. Yeah, and it will say HP. There you go, it says HP, and you get a little icon flashing up. Just down the bottom there, little wireless icon. There you go. Linked again. Easy. Hope it helps. See you in a bit.